This tutorial will cover the services report from your groups page. Once you've navigated to the Customer Support Center on Illinois WorkNet and selected the Apprenticeship Illinois group, you will land on the Customers tab for your group. On this tab, there is a button that says Services Report. When you click that button, it takes you to a tab where you can select the project, the grantee. You can select service provider, enrollment status, service type, and a date range, and then filter. Once you filter, it comes to all of the different steps or services that have been added to any customer. We suggest making one customer completely filled out on their career plan, and then you can add steps or services for other customers based upon that one customer. In the list, it has all of the services, what the activity name is, what service type it is, and then the status is whether it's started, not started, or the completion, how many customers have the step, and how many customers don't have the step. Click on any of these numbers and it will open up to a list of the customers with that step or service. Once you land on that page, you have the ability to add information to all of the customers who do not have that step. If you want to add a step to a customer, just click the information, what the status is, and then click Add to Career Plan. Once you click to add it to the career plan, it takes you to that customer's profile. Once you add that step or service, it takes you to that customer's profile, and you go through the manual process of adding the step. The other option is to add the status for each of the items. Add a start date, add an end date, add a planned due date, add how many hours they were supposed to work on that step, and so on and so forth through each customer down the list until you have as many applicable customers as you want to add steps for that particular item. Once you click Save, it adds the information to each of the customers where you have entered some data. Click Save, and then close that tab on your browser. It takes you back to the list. Refresh that tab on your browser. Pick the project and grantee again, filter, and you'll see that we are now down to 63 customers without the step, and the other items have been added across the different categories. Thanks for watching.